Do we have Mr. Arnold?
I am Mr. Arnold for the day, Your Honor.
Oh, boy. All right. Mr. Bellisario, you are now unhappy with this attorney.
Yeah.
And I did read the motion, and I understand why. Mr. Arnold's still in. Do you have any objection?
I don't. Carl said he understands. He's not opposing the motion.
Okay. All right. So you want the public defender's office?
Yes.
Okay.
And Your Honor, Marisa Border from the Public Defender's Office. Unfortunately, it's our office policy that has been reiterated just within the last week that we are not to accept any appointments of someone trying to withdraw a plea before sentencing from either a conflict or a private attorney. So it's our office's policy that we are not able to accept appointment in this situation.
Okay. And all four of my contract counsel, you've already been. No, we have one more?
We have two more.
Oh.
Slave and Sheets. Sheets is next.
Okay.
Okay. Hey, can someone send me that policy too? Because I've never heard of that internal policy.
No, it's not a written policy and we're not at liberty to distribute it.
I'll say this. Here's what the issue is. If you've previously had like a conflict with the public defender.
I haven't. So that's the issue. Is they're supposed to appoint the public defender.
So if I may, the public defender was appointed over their objection in his other cases. They reiterated that policy as well. You still have two contract counsel available here. I don't know why
Right.
those other courts do
Okay.
not do that. So
Yeah, we're not. I thought we'd gone through all four. We haven't. So,
But in my other case where I'm trying to plead the public defender's office.
okay. You have Mr. Sheets, Damien Sheets, or Mr. Flav here.
I think Mr. Sheets is next up.
Yeah, Mr. Sheets is next. So that's who you're going to get. Okay. Have you met Damien Sheets? Do you know him? All right.
We'll get you a card.
And what are we gonna do about scheduling of it? I mean, like, clearly I'm not happy with the motion he did before even a briefing schedule was filed and,
Talk to Mr. Sheets about whether you guys want to withdraw the motion
well, yeah, I mean, because
supplement.
can we,
or supplement.
or can we move, I think the date's on the 17th to have the hearing.
Any objections state to continuing it so he has time to talk to his new attorney?
Oh, a different one?
That would be,
No, and I agree with that.
Yes.
What was that?
Vacate the motion. Client will talk to Mr. Sheets and go over the points that they can actually bring up in the motion.
All right. So we're not going to have a hearing on the current motion to withdraw plea. Is that okay?
and there's a hearing on the second and the other case for it that might affect like.
She can't do anything about that.
No, I know,
so-
I was just saying there's another hearing and then.
Okay.
It might affect something
All
else.
right. So we're going to vacate that hearing, but what I'm concerned about is, are we withdrawing the motion altogether?
Why don't we leave that hearing date
That's
so
what
that
I-
they can decide
Right.
if they would like to adopt that motion, file a supplement, or some other thing.
Okay. So it's the 17th. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to continue that hearing date out 2 weeks so you have time to meet with your attorney and make a decision on whether you want to withdraw the motion altogether or supplement it. Okay? But if I leave it where it is, it's too soon. So here's the new date on the motion to withdraw plea.
That'll be October 31st at 10 a.m.
And we'll also do a status check on confirmation of counsel at that time.
Okay, and do you have his contact info?
I am going to tell you where you can get it, because they have to be out cards, but as soon as we're done this one, I'll tell you where you can
Bailey's
get
here.
it.
She's outside.
Oh,
I have this.
Yeah, we can give it to you.
Someone from his office is here.
We'll write it down for him.
Bailey Hellman's here. She's outside.